Hello, Dr. Glauer. This is my lab demo video for this week for embedded systems for homework number 6. This week I made a keypad controlled Neopixel. The basic flow of the program is as follows. You must select which RGB setting that you're going to set using RB0, RB1, RB2. Where RB0 is red, RB1 is green, and RB2 is blue. After you've selected your case, it should show up on the LCD, and then it will ask you to input a number from the keypad. So you may enter a number between 0 and 255 and hit the asterisk key, which informs the PIC that you're done entering your number. Afterwards, the PIC processor will check to make sure your number is less than 255. If it is greater than 255, it will bump back to the step where you need to select which RGB setting you're going to change. If it is less than 255, it should output to the Neopixel. So right now we're just at the beginning of the program, so I'm going to go ahead and select the red case. So you can see on the LCD, it knows that we're in the red case and is displaying zeros on the keypad. I'm going to go ahead and select the number 2 just to keep it dim for the sake of the camera. So it knows that we've selected the number 2. Hit the asterisk key, should reset, and now we're displaying to the Neopixel and it is a red light. So go ahead and select the red case again, select zeros, enter that, there we go, and now it's off again. Go ahead and select the green case. LCD knows that we're in green, turn that on, now it's green. Turn that back off, select blue, enter number, now it's blue. You can even mix colors, it should allow you to do that. So now we're going to set red while the blue is still on. We're going to set it to the same number blue was so we can see the change. And now we have a purple light. So resetting blue, resetting red. Now we can set green again. There's green, resetting red, and setting blue. And there we have a white light. So that's the basic flow of my program for this week.